Introduction. Hey everyone, in today's video we're going to be talking about a really useful online tool for converting between price per meter and price per foot. If you're ever trying to compare prices of products or services across different countries or regions that use different units of measurement, you know it can be a real hassle. But with the price per meter to price per foot calculator, it's a breeze. Today we're going to show you how to use this calculator step by step, and provide some real-world examples of when and how it can be helpful. Using the calculator. First, let's take a look at the calculator itself. We're using the calculator on AskMyCalculator.com, but you can find similar calculators on other websites as well. The calculator has two fields, one for price per meter and one for price per foot. To convert price per meter to price per foot, all you have to do is enter the price per meter in the first field and click the Convert button. The calculator will automatically calculate the price per foot for you. Step-by-step guide. Let's take a closer look at the step-by-step process for using the calculator. For this example, let's say we're trying to compare the price of a house in London, which is listed at £10,000 per square meter, to the price of a house in New York, which is listed at $500 per square foot. First, we'll go to AskMyCalculator.com and find the price per meter to price per foot calculator. Then, we'll enter 10,000 in the price per meter field and click Convert. The calculator will automatically convert the price to $93 per square foot. Now we can easily compare the two prices and make a more informed decision. Real-world examples. Now let's look at some real-world examples of when this calculator could be helpful. Let's say you're a builder and you need to compare the cost of concrete in two different countries. One country uses price per meter and the other uses price per foot. By using the calculator, you can quickly and easily compare the two prices and make an informed decision about where to buy your materials. Similarly, if you're trying to compare the price of a product that's sold in different regions, the calculator can help you quickly and easily see how the prices compare. Conclusion. In conclusion, the price per meter to price per foot calculator is a really useful tool for anyone who needs to compare prices across different regions or countries. By using this calculator, you can save time and avoid the hassle of manually converting between units of measurement. We hope this video has been helpful in showing you how to use the calculator and providing some real-world examples of when it can be useful. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below and we'll do our best to respond. Thanks for watching.